Kulumbakia Joto Takukte Bukuksong Tai Lamsogo Ani O Channelo Faiti Chengtini Nalena Tripura Public Service Commission Nehote Kasha Katal Job Notification Okormani Norok O Jaga Nainamu Chungka Hanke Type Khadi tpsc.tripura.gov.in Thamani Pore Boni or TPSC ni website open nai Norok O Jaga no Nugumano Kaisha option Tongo advertisement hani O Jaga click Khadi click Khamani Pore Boni notification Nugjang nai Nadi advertisement for Food Safety Officer Group B gazetted under age and FW department O Jaga click Khadi Boni O notification Nainamu Chungka Hanke Nugimano Obonka advertisement number 04/2021 Tai Omo online application angnai Tai O job ni bagai total vacancy tongo 8 or ni bisingo UR no bagai tongo 4 SC ni bagai tongo 1 Tai ST ni bagai tongo 3 including one number post reserved for physical candidate ni bagai kasha post tongnai Nugimano oboni post ni bomongka food safety officer Tai Omo Group B gazetted under Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Tripura. In the salary inka PB3 rupees 10,230 nishimi 34,800 jora. Tai non grade pay janai 4,800 k. Pay matrix level 13 under Tripura State Civil Service. Revised pay rules 2017. The number of posts to be filled up is subject to increase or decrease following requisitions of the department. Takukte buhuksong o job ni bagai post hoite ba bari fan mano haike ba komi fan mano. O job ni bagai educational qualification nangnai a degree in food technology, haike ba dairy technology, haike ba biotechnology, haike ba oil technology, agricultural science, veterinary science, biochemistry, microbiology, master degree in chemistry, haike BUMS, BSMS, MBBS, BAMS, BHMS, BDS from a recognized university. O job ni bagai o qualification je kunu kaisa tonghankena norok oboni bagai apply khamanai. Tai takukte bukuksong o job ni bagai age na nangnai minimum kha 18 tai maximum kha 40. As on 24 September 2021, Tai ST/SC Tai physical candidate ni bagai extra 5 years jora rajaka. Tai oboni bagai norok application online khaimanai last date enka 24th September 2021 5:30 PM jora. Takukte bukuksong obongkha selection process. The recruitment process will comprise of 2 successive stage. Pulang nai written examination oboni general studying nai 85 marks ni MCQ typing nai aboni pore interview haike personal test nai 15 marks in bagai do aboni pore tebo tongo norok nai nedi ang or notification description box or irwana norok download khai nai manai Tai o job ni bagai norok apply khanyani hingke rang mar nai jara non general category boni bagi hingke 250 rupees Tai 150 rupees nai ST/SC Tai BPL card holders Tai physical handicaps ni bagai takukte bukuksong tri ni bagai ashukno belekeno hambai norok ani o bidonu name bagai Tai jara tongshino apply khai paidi যদি নরক ইন্টারেস্ট তংখাঙ্কেবা যদি নরক এলিজিবল হংখাঙ্কেবা তাই ননি সিনজাক বরং ন শেয়ার খাদি যাতে বরক ফানো ও ইনফরমেশন মানি বরক বয় অ্যাপ্লাই খাইতুং বেলেকেনো হামবাই খুলুমবাইখ্যা